Okay, you've got a positive 7an and a negative 3an. So that gives us, since the signs are different, we're going to subtract. And since the bigger number is positive, we're going to have a positive answer. So 3 minus 7 is 4. And then I just copy the a and the n. And that's my answer. I've got, here, look, you've got to be careful because they're changing the exponents on you. See? You got n exponents and m exponents. So we can only combine like terms. So let's find the like terms here. We've got these two are like terms and these two are like terms. So let's combine the xn's first. 5xn minus 3xn is 2x to the n power. Okay. And then I've got 2ym and 4ym. Since there's no sign, we know that they're positive. So we're going to add them. 4 plus 2 is 6. And since they're positive, our answer is positive. So we're going to put a positive number separating the two terms. And we're going to write 6ym. Easy, huh? It's just adding and subtracting. That's all it is. And the numbers are small, so you could do it in your head. It's like what you did in elementary school. All right. So here, we've got the same exponents here. So we're going to combine these terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. And here we have the same variable and the same exponent. Okay. We're going to do the x's first because remember we're going to write them in alphabetical order. So x comes before y. So the x is going to be written first. So I've got a positive xn and a positive 2xn. So 1xn plus 2xn is 3xn. Okay. Then we're going to do the y's. I've got a positive y squared and a positive 2y squared. So since they're both positive, I'm going to add. My answer is going to be positive, so I'm going to put a positive sign separating the two terms. I'm going to have 3y to the second power. Okay, here they're all like terms, and they're all negative. So that means I'm going to add them all, and my answer is going to be negative. Because remember, when the signs are the same, you add. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 a n. Okay. Next. 3x squared. I've got 3x squared and just negative x squared. So those are the like terms. I'm going to combine them. The signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. And since my bigger number is positive, my answer is positive. I'm not going to write the positive sign because if I don't write it, everybody already understands that it's positive. Okay. So I'm going to cancel those. And then I've got 6ym and 2ym. They're both positive. So I'm going to add those because the signs are the same. You add. So 6 plus 2 is 8y to the m power. That's your answer. Okay, this one's a little long, but don't get scared. We just have to find the like terms and combine them. We're going to start with x, and we're going to start with the bigger exponent because remember, when we write our answer, the answer has to be in one alphabetical order, and then the bigger exponent always has to go first. So since 6 is the biggest exponent, that's what's going to go first. So I'm going to combine those first. So 25 minus 18. Okay, what is that? That's 7, I believe. 19, 22, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7. 7x to the 6th power. Now, since the bigger number was positive, which is 25, my answer is going to be positive. I'm not going to write a sign, because when I don't write a sign, everybody already knows it's positive. And then the next bigger exponent is x to the 3rd. So both the signs are negative, you notice? So the signs are the same, so we're going to add 8 plus 3 is 11. But since my signs are negative, my answer is going to be negative. Negative 11 x to the 3rd. And then finally, we're going to do 3xn plus 2xn. Since there's no sign, we know they're both positive, so that means the signs are the same. And we're going to add. When the signs are the same, we add. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Our answer is positive. So 5xn. And that's all we have to do. Very easy. Just simple adding and subtracting.